We are going to look today at what the graph of two equations that have an infinite number of solutions looks like. So we're going to graph 4x minus 2, and we're also going to graph 2 times the quantity 2x minus 1. So why don't we start with 4x minus 2. When x is 0, let's look at what our y-intercept is going to be. We're going to get 4 times 0 minus 2, which leaves us with negative 2. So our first point is going to be a 0, negative 2. 0, negative 2. Now, let's say when x equals 2, what will our y be? We'll get 4 times 2 minus 2, which gives us 8 minus 2, which is, of course, 6. So our second point is going to be 2, 6. So let's grab this, and we'll do a 2. We'll come up here to 6. I'm going to try my best to draw a nice straight line. I'm going to have to try again on that one. So let me switch back to my pen here, and we're going to draw our line through that. You'll have to forgive that. My pen is not cooperating at the moment. So this is 4x minus 2. So now we're going to move on to our second equation. We are going to graph 2 times the quantity 2x minus 1. So why don't we start with x equals 1 this time. We're going to get 2 times 2 times 1 minus 1, which gives us 2 times 2 minus 1, which gives us 2 times 1, which is 2. So our first point is going to be 1, 2. Let's try that. 1, 2. Interesting. It's on the line that we just drew. So let's try another one. Why don't we try, let me erase so we've got some more room here. Why don't we try when x is negative 1? Okay, we're going to get 2 times that negative 1 minus 1, which is going to give us 2 times a negative 2 minus 1, which is going to give us 2 times a negative 3, which is negative 6. So our next point is going to be a negative 1, negative 6. We can grab a negative 1 down here to negative 6. And what you'll see is that when we connect these points, they're all lying on the same line. I know it's hard to tell because my line was bad. But what happens when you have two equations that are actually equal to each other, when you graph their solutions, they'll be right on top of each other. They will have an infinite number of solutions. They share all the same points because what's really going on here is that 4x minus 2 in fact equals 2 times 2x minus 1. And so their solution set is an infinite number of solutions. Now, you need to graph, or you need to color in the block orange when you have finished watching this video.